evening, all of you. So today I'm going to talk about a synthesis of cholesterol. So what is actually a cholesterol? So chole means a bile. Okay. So cholesterol is the best known biomolecule between of its a link between its elevated level in the blood and incidence of a heart disease. So in case of cholesterol synthesis or biosynthesis, almost all the tissues of the body they participate in the cholesterol biosynthesis. Okay, so the largest contribution made by the liver, that is 50%, then intestine is a 15%, skin, adrenal cortex, reproductive tissues, etc. Okay, so these parts of our body it is participated in the cholesterol biosynthesis. And there are many or you can say different enzymes which are involved in the cholesterol synthesis, which are generally found in the cytosol and microsomal fractions of the cell. So usually it is widely distributed in animal tissues and absent in the plants. Okay, so cholesterol हे कुठं भेटतं, so it is generally found in the animal tissues but it is absent in the plants. So it occurs as a free cholesterol or it can be combined with a fatty acid. So if cholesterol is combined with a fatty acid, then it is called as a cholesterol esters. Okay, so it is generally present in the all cell membranes and also present in the plasma lipoproteins. ठीक आहे, सो कोलेस्टेरॉल इस्टर्स ते कुठं फाउंड होतं सेल मेम्ब्रेन्समध्ये किंवा प्लाझ्मा लायपोप्रोटीन्समध्ये. Okay, so around 1/3 of a total cholesterol is free and the rest of the 3/4 of cholesterol is usually esterified with the long chain fatty acids. ठीक है, so when the amount of cholesterol synthesized in the body and obtained through the diet exceeds the amount of utilized cholesterol will be for the formation of other steroids in the body. For example, corticosteroids or vitamin D, then bile acids. Then there are some sex hormones which includes the progesterone, androgens and estrogens. These are the sex hormones. Okay, so if it is exceeds not utilized for synthesis of other steroids, then cholesterol is accumulated in the blood vessels and resulting in the cardiovascular disease and stroke. Okay, so this is the structure of a cholesterol. So cholesterol biosynthesis or how this synthesis happen of cholesterol. Okay, so biosynthesis of cholesterol it generally takes place in the cytosol and it occurs in the endoplasmic reticulum of hepatic cells and it begins with acetyl CoA, which is mainly derived from an oxidation reaction which are happened in the mitochondria. Okay, so the acetyl CoA and acetoacetyl CoA they are converted into a 3 hydroxy 3 methyl glutaryl CoA by that is you can say HMG CoA by the enzyme that is HMG CoA synthase. Okay, so here you can see here this is the structure of a cholesterol. So it consists of 4 fused rings. Okay, you can see here there are 4 fused rings which are namely like A, B, C and D. Okay, with the carbon numbered in the sequence and then 8 numbered. Okay, and they are branched. You can see there are a branch hydrocarbon chain which are attached to the ring D. Okay, so it contains two angular methyl groups. The carbon 19, you can see carbon 19 methyl group is attached to carbon 10. ठीक आहे, तुम्ही पाहू शकता हे कार्बन 19 जो आहे तो त्याच्यात काय आहे मिथाइल ग्रुप विच इज अटॅच टू द कार्बन नंबर 10 अँड कार्बन नंबर 18. ठीक आहे, वरती तुम्ही पाहू शकता कार्बन नंबर 18 इज अटॅच टू कार्बन नंबर 13. ठीक आहे, तिथं 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप्स प्रेझेंट आहेत. ठीक आहे, जे की अटॅच्ड आहेत दुसऱ्या कार्बन नंबरला. सो कार्बन नंबर 18 अँड 19 मिथाइल ग्रुप्स of cholesterol they lie above the plane containing 4 रिंग्स. ठीक आहे, त्याच्या वरती काय येतं ते प्रेझेंट आहेत असं आपण म्हणू शकतो. ठीक आहे. सो there are some steps which are involved in the cholesterol synthesis. ठीक आहे. सो ॲक्च्युली हे कोलेस्ट्रॉल सिंथेसिस होतं कसं. सो देर आर different स्टेप्स विच आर इन्वॉल्ड. ठीक आहे. द फर्स्ट स्टेप दॅट इज अ सिंथेसिस ऑफ HMG CoA. सो sorry, HMG CoA, that means 3-hydroxy 3-methyl glutaryl CoA. Okay. Then the second step, that is a formation of mevalonate. Then third step, that is the production of isoprenoid units. Fourth one, that is the synthesis of squalene. And the fifth and the last step, that is the conversion of squalene to a cholesterol. ठीक आहे. सो नाव आता आपण काय करू, स्टेप बाय स्टेप की बघू. सो दिस इज द डायग्राम विच शोज की द समरी ऑफ अ कोलेस्ट्रॉल बायोसिंथेसिस. सो मेनली यू कॅन से देर आर 4 stages which are discussed in the text. ठीक आहे. सो isoprenoid units in a squalene, they are not set off by a red dashed lines. ठीक आहे. सो दिस इज द समरी. हे आपण नंतर बघू. सो नाव वी स्टार्ट विथ द फर्स्ट स्टेप. Okay, that is a synthesis of HMG CoA. So how it synthesize. ठीक है. So as I told you कि it starts from acetyl CoA. ठीक है. So there are 2 moles of acetyl CoA that condenses to form a acetoacetyl CoA, and the another molecule of acetyl CoA is then added to form a HMG CoA. सो these are the reactions which are similar to ketone body synthesis, जे की आपण बघणार आहोत की what actually a ketone bodies. Okay, so this pathway are a distinct and there exist 2 poles of HMG CoA in the cell. ठीक आहे. so in this figure you can see there is a so ॲसिटिल कोए प्रेझेंट आहे. त्याच्यापासून काय तयार होणार आहे, आफ्टर द कंडेन्सेशन यू कॅन से दर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ॲसिटिल कोए. ठीक आहे. अँड विच इज देन यू कॅन से की आफ्टर कंडेन्सेशन ऑफ दिस ॲसिटिल कोए it forms a HMG CoA by the enzyme that is a HMG CoA synthase. ठीक आहे. So the acetyl CoA which undergoes a similar reactions in the mitochondria where this HMG CoA is used for ketone body synthesis. ठीक है. So this is the first step you can say. ठीक है. Then the second step, that is a formation of mevalonate, जी की तुम्ही इथे पाहू शकतात की how this mevalonate is formed. ठीक है. So this cytosolic HMG CoA which is an key intermediate in the cholesterol biosynthesis. हा HMG CoA जो दिसतोय तुम्हाला, so that is a key intermediate means which has a very important role in the synthesis of cholesterol. ठीक है. So this intermediate, you can say, it is reduced in the endoplasmic reticulum to form a mevalonic acid by the one special regulatory enzyme, that is HMG CoA reductase. ठीक है. So this mevalonic acid is नंतरून त्याचं काय होतं. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप झाली, सेकंड स्टेप झाली. फर्स्ट दॅट इज अ सिंथेसिस, then second that is a formation of mevalonate. So you can, so descriptive part of this formation of mevalonate ki how it forms. So you can see after HMG CoA reductase, it is a rate limiting enzyme in a cholesterol biosynthesis. So this enzyme which is present in the endoplasmic reticulum and it catalyzes the reduction of HMG CoA. So after a reduction of HMG CoA it will form a mevalonate. ठीक है. Then the third step, that is a production of isoprenoid units. Okay. So after formation of mevalonate, what happens, this mevalonate is converted into 3-phospho-5-pyrophosphate mevalonate which is then undergoes a decarboxylation forms, that is isopentenyl pyrophosphate, or you can say in short IPP. So this IPP isomerizes to dimethyl allyl pyrophosphate, that is a DPP, and this DPP and IPP, they are a 5 carbon isoprenoid units. ठीक है. So you can see in this figure ki, so this is the first reaction or first structure, that is a mevalonate. So this mevalonic acid, you can say ki it is phosphorylated. So phosphorylated means there is a addition of phosphate molecules, and after phosphorylate it decarboxylated to form a 5 carbon isoprenoid, that is a isopentenyl pyrophosphate. ठीक है. So these two isopentenyl pyrophosphate units, they condenses into forming a carbon 10 compound, that is a geranyl pyrophosphate, which is then reacts with another C5 म्हणजे carbon 5 units to form a C15 compound, that is a farnesyl pyrophosphate. That is not that much important. ठीक आहे, तुम्हाला फक्त एवढंच लक्षात ठेवायचं की after formation of mevalonate how these isoprenide units form. ठीक आहे. So this the production of isoprenoids unit. Then the fourth step, that is the synthesis of squalene. So first fifth sorry जे या फिगरमध्ये तुम्ही पाहू शकतात की देर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आय पी पी अँड डी पी पी. आय पी पी, ठीक आहे. आय पी पी दॅट मीन्स इट इज म्हणजे आफ्टर decarboxylation it forms a isopentenyl pyrophosphate, and when this IPP is isomerizes then it forms a DPP. ठीक आहे. सो जे IPP आणि DPP फॉर्म झालेले ते आफ्टर कंडेन्सेशन दे प्रोड्यूस अ जिरानिल पायरोफॉस्फेट विच कंटेन्स अ 10 कार्बन, जे की मी तुम्हाला सांगितलेलं. Then the another molecule of IPP, it condenses with a GPP, that is geranyl pyrophosphate. It forms another compound which contains 10 carbons, that is a farnesyl pyrophosphate, which you can say in short FPP. ठीक आहे, तुम्हाला हे लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. What is actually IPP, then DPP, then GPP, and the last one, that is a FPP. ठीक आहे. So now the two units of farnesyl pyrophosphate, they get reduced and then it form a squalene which contains a 30 carbon. So किंवा तुम्ही असं पण म्हणू शकतात की स्क्वालिन इज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम 2 कार्बन 15. ठीक आहे. सो जे फर्निसिल पायरोफॉस्फेट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये काय असतात 15 कार्बन्स असतात. मग जेव्हा दोन मॉलिक्युल्स जे असणार आहेत फर्निसिल पायरोफॉस्फेटचे, जेव्हा ते एकत्र येतात किंवा it is formed due to the 2 carbon 15 units and then they oxidized and cyclized. ठीक है, and then they form a lansosterol. Okay, so squalene which contains a 13 carbon, you can see in this figure. So this is the DPP, first one, that is second one, that is a IPP. So there is a one enzyme which is present. ठीक है. So after this condensation, you can say there is a formation of geranyl pyrophosphate. Okay, so that geranyl pyrophosphate, which is a 5 carbon compound, and then so there is an enzyme, that is a prenyl transferase. Okay, so after that it forms a farnesyl pyrophosphate which contains 15 carbon, and ठीक है, the last one, there is a formation of a squalene which contains a 13 carbon. ठीक है. So this 13 carbon structure, it arises through the successive condensation of activated isoprene, that is a 5 carbon units. Okay, then the last step, that is a conversion of squalene to a cholesterol. So squalene it undergoes a hydroxylation and cyclization which utilizing the oxygen and NADPH, and then it gets converted into a lanosterol. So lanosterol is converted to cholesterol in a series of steps, and the formation of cholesterol from a lanosterol is multi-step process with a series of about a 19 enzymatic reaction. ठीक आहे. सो तुमचं जे कोलेस्ट्रॉल आहे ते फॉर्म होणार लॅनोस्टेरॉलपासून, पण देर आर सो मेनी रिॲक्शन्स विच आर इन्वॉल्ड, like there are 19 enzymatic reactions which are involved to yield a cholesterol. ठीक है. So the following are the most important reactions. The reducing the carbon atoms from 13 to 27, then removal of two methyl groups from C4 and one methyl from C14, then shift of double bond from C8 to C5, and reduction in the double bond which is present between the C24 and C25. Then the enzymes involved in the conversion of lanesterol to cholesterol, they are associated with the endoplasmic reticulum. And the 4-desmethyl lanesterol, zymosterol, and cholesterol and demosterol are the among most intermediates in the cholesterol biosynthesis. Okay, so this is the a ring closure converts linear squalene to condensed steroid nucleus. So the first step in this sequence is catalyzed by a mixed function oxidase, that is a monooxygenase, for which the co-substrate is NADPH, and this is the product of an epoxide, which is the next step in cyclase to steroid complexes. Okay, so this is about the synthesis of cholesterol. Okay, so we require a 16 moles of NADPH and 36 moles of ATP. Okay, so you can see in this figure ki this is you can see overall pathway for cholesterol synthesis. ठीक आहे, आता मी तुम्हाला एकदा शॉर्ट मध्ये सांगते की how this pathway actually. Okay, so first that is a acetyl CoA. ठीक है, so this the cholesterol is synthesized from cytosolic acetyl CoA by the sequence of reactions. ठीक आहे, तुम्ही एवढं जरी लक्षात ठेवलं जे काय मी आता सांगणार आहे तर that will be enough for cholesterol biosynthesis. So listen carefully. Okay, so the glucose is a major source of carbon for acetyl CoA. Acetyl CoA is produced from glucose by the same sequence of reactions which are used to produce a cytosolic acetyl CoA for fatty acid biosynthesis. So we already discussed about a fatty acid biosynthesis. Okay, then this cytosolic acetyl CoA, it forms acetoacetyl CoA. ठीक आहे, तुम्ही पाहू शकतात. So this acetyl CoA, it forms a acetoacetyl CoA by the enzyme that is a thiolase, which is used to form a HMG CoA. ठीक आहे, so this acid, so you can see the arrow. Okay, तर arrow वरून तुम्ही easily सांगू शकतात की what happens in this pathway. So this acetyl CoA undergoes a similar reactions in the mitochondrion where the HMG CoA is used for ketone body synthesis. Then the cytosolic HMG CoA, which is an key intermediate in the cholesterol biosynthesis, is reduced in endoplasmic reticulum to form a mevalonic acid by the regulatory enzyme that is HMG CoA reductase. Okay, then this mevalonic acid is phosphorylated and decarboxylated to form the 5-carbon isoprenoid isopentenyl pyrophosphate. Okay, you can see here means there is a first phosphorylation, then decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide, then it form a isopentenyl pyrophosphate which contains a 5-carbon. Okay, so this then this 2 isopentenyl pyrophosphate units, they condenses and forms a carbon 10 compound, that is a geranyl pyrophosphate. Okay, so which is then reacts with another carbon 5 unit to form or to yield a carbon 15 compound, that is a farnesyl pyrophosphate. Okay, then the squalene. Squalene is formed from 2 carbon 15 units and then oxidized and cyclized forming a lanosterol. Okay, by the enzyme squalene epoxidase. Okay, and the last one, this lanosterol is converted to a cholesterol which involves a 19 enzymatic reaction. So this is about a cholesterol biosynthesis. Then the regulation of cholesterol synthesis. So HMG-CoA reductase is inhibited by high level of cholesterol. Um, in the liver, it is also inhibited by a bile salts and is induced when body insulin levels are elevated. And it is also regulated by a phosphorylation by the AMP activated protein kinase. And this enzyme is the pharmacologic target of lovastatin and other drugs in that class. Okay, so this is all about a cholesterol synthesis.